I welcome all of you on platform of Yourpedia Education, and let me announce here uh, the discount offered for next 2 days. That is holy discount. We are talking about it for two main modules which Yourpedia is pushing ahead presently. So one is HPCL module. Exam is expected. I mean 15th April is the last date of registration, and it is expected after a couple of months. Let's say 2, 3, 4 months from now, but I don't want to speculate on that. And July May engineering success exam is coming, preliminary is coming. For these two exams, the best preparation module offered by Yourpedia, and now we basically put it on discount for 2 days. you know uh, as I told you, there are different kind of people, positive, negative, all kind of views keep on coming to us. I have already told you the purpose of these discounts which are offered. The purpose is not that we want to increase the sale or the sale is less or something like that, which comments may it comes. The purpose is when you keep on saying that, sir, please reduce the cost. See, we already are working at very low cost for these modules, because there is a team which I am to survive, and there's a entire operations which I am to manage. So I cannot go beyond our limit, because quality will not come then. You understand, the quality comes with the cost, and we cannot reduce the cost of hundreds of hours of live classes beyond a limit. And you will find your PDF modules are the cheapest as far as the quality is concerned. The quality best, cost minimum is our motto. That is what we try to attain. We are available, mentors are available for you all the time, and then live classes are there, then recorded classes are there, then WhatsApp groups are there, then ebooks are there, then PDFs are there. So many things, I need not to mention that. So cost cannot be reduced, but still I understand there are some students who cannot even pay that, who cannot even pay minimum what we have kept. For such students who are sincerely requiring to prepare for these exams but cannot afford even the minimum cost whatever we have kept, so this sale is announced. And let me tell you that we are announcing the sale for HPCL module now. Earlier we had kept it and then we closed it when it was launched. Many students said, sir, please give 1 or 2 days more. So for Holi 28th and 29th, tomorrow 28th, sorry 20 today is 28th, 29th and 30th, 2 days, not 28th, 29th, but 29th, that is tomorrow, and 29th and 30th, these 2 days we have kept the discount for next 2 days. You will find it on the panel also. And this is reduced because those students who cannot afford, they can now purchase it. Let me tell you, now till exam we are not going to offer this further, so you need not to delay. Avail this discount and you can prepare for HPCL. And as I told you earlier also in my previous video, like airport authority में से सारे questions वहां से आए थे हमारे modules में से. Same HPCL is going to happen. Majority questions you are going to come find from the module only. Now I will also tell you about this engineering success paper 1 module. Yourpedia, this was the first product of Yourpedia. 2 years back in 2019, I mean, when we launched it in June, that was the time when we launched it for exam in January. Then there was a huge response from the student for this module, and it kept on going till railway seats were taken out, and then rhythm of the people broke for this. Now those of you who are going for engineering success paper, I mean preliminary, those of you, if you want to score really high in this paper 1, preliminary paper 1, like there are issues, current importance issues, or this engineering mathematics, reasoning aptitude, design and drawing, safety, quality, ethics, environment, all these project management. If you want to prepare these topics nicely, then your PDF module is the best module. I'm telling you here, value for money. And this is cost is reduced for next 2 days, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 29th and 30th of March. We have reduced this cost for those of you who want to go for engineering services module. So avail these discounts on these two modules, which are the main modules Yourpedia is pulling for next couple of months, and you can get the benefit from that. And there will not be any further discount now on these modules. That is also I'm going to announce. So those who want it, they can take it now. As far as the post-gate counseling is concerned, I mean, many students are availing that post-gate counseling also is the main actually product of YourPedia education. So post-gate counseling may lot of effort goes. In this case, I'm to make a module, teacher is to teach, and interaction with the students is minimal. So I can afford, I mean, discount and something on that. Post-gate counseling, but it cannot be there because you are going to call us every time. Sir, ये hidden department बता दो sir. मेरे को अभी फॉर्म भरना है, इसमें ये ट्रबल आ रहा है, तो सर हाउ शुड आई डू, सर मेरे स्कोर पे बताओ मैं कितना भरूं. सो लॉट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन इज इन्वॉल्वड इन पोस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग. सो इफ आई एम टू कन्वर्ट योर स्कोर इनटू सिलेक्शन, I need to put effort, writing your SOP, suggesting you how to drop a mail to professor, checking your all these things. It takes time, and believe me, post gate counseling में जो value हमने पैसा रखा है, cost रखा है, that is basically very 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 low. I cannot reduce it further. So let me tell you again, it cannot be reduced. Just avail the benefit of post-gate counseling if you want to convert your score into some kind of selections. Let me wish you now happy Holi tomorrow, and just prepare with YourPedia for career and selections. All the best and thank you.